What's up, guys? It's windy out here and there's some rain coming, I think, but we're gonna chase these fish. Let's go, guys. Ooh, boy. All right, guys, we got some rain coming from back here. Hopefully it just brings the clouds and not a big storm, but you can't, nothing can be promised in Florida. Let's see if this Ned rig puts in some work. It did yesterday. Oh, got one, guys. Got one, guys. What is that? Got something right here. That little guy, little dinker, but we'll take him. We'll take him for the first fish of the day. Got all wrapped up, and he's dark guy. Look how dark this bass is. He's been hiding for a long time, all winter long. Look how dark that guy is. That's a dark bass. Oh, wait. Let this guy go real quick. There he goes. All right, broke the skunk. The Ned rig, on the Ned rig, baby. Man, this Ned rig, bro, search and destroy, bro. This thing don't play, dude. Another one, guys. Another one. Another one. Another one right here. Yo, are you kidding me, dude? These guys are on the Ned rig, dude. Look, and oh man, there we go. That's another. We took a straw and everything. Man, he choked that Ned rig. That's a nice fish, baby. Oh wait, that's a nice one, bro. That's a nice healthy fish, bro. Let's go. All right, this guy choked it down, but it's barely hooked, but he choked it down. That's a little fatty, bro. We'll take him. He's a little ripped up right there. I don't know if that was from the getting tangled up or not, but he'll go. He'll be all right. There we go, baby. That's two already. Let's go, and the clouds are coming. Let's go. There may be, are they stocked up in these pads? Let's see. Wow, there might be, if there's a third one, oh my God, bro. Another one. Are you kidding me, guys? Oh, we got him off right there. Are you kidding me? Are they just stacked inside of these pads? Dude, are you kidding me, guys? This is crazy, dude. Got one. Little guy. Whee! That's a nice guy. He's the biggest one of the day for me. Let's go on the netty, baby. All right, guys. Popping this one out. Not a bad bass. Not a bad one for here. There he goes. Let's go. El duro. Ah. Huh? No? That guy hit it. That guy hit it right at the bend. We were about to come out and he was just waiting there to ambush. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, got another one. Oh, damn, lost one, dude. Ah. The net is going, bro. Ah, I got him. Oh, Dude, there was a bass chasing the other bass, dude. What the hell was that all about? That was sick, bro. Little dinkers, but hey, that was cool. Got another. That's another one, baby. Let's go, baby. Just a little dinky dookies. Little dinky dookie. Send this boy back real quick. Cranking on him, buddy, here. Ooh-wee. And got another one. Ooh-wee. Fatty, biggest one of the day now. There he is. That's a nice little chunker. Chunky dookie. Big little chunky guy. All right, guys, we got the hook out. Let's get some after that. There he goes. Yeah, now I have to switch out plastic. Yeah, got one. Oh. I got an extra one if you need it. You got some? Oh. Yeah, exactly. Got one. Got one. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that sound? Oh, he's not a beast, but what's that? He's like, you leave the fish alone now. Go to work. Yeah, bro, man. These guys are hot right now in the pads, and they're not they're little 1-pounders, but they're nice. That's sweet. All right, guys, another nice one. He's going back right now. There he goes. Damn! I got one. Oh, the biggest. Oh! That was a 2-pounder, dude. Damn, dude. Got one. Hello, baby. One baby. Chasing it though. Look at that, guys. Look at that bad boy. He chased it down, bro. What? That's a little bass. Man, these bass are beasts, bro. Even when they're little, bro. Sweet. Got one. Got one. Another one. That's another one, baby. Yeah, baby. Nice one. Ooh-wee! That's a nice bass, bro. Whoa, he got that sharp Ned rig, and you gotta be careful with this guy. There you go. He choked it down. That's a sweet fish, baby. Ooh, look at those patterns, bro. That's sweet. All right, guys. Popping this Ned rig out real quick. There we go, baby. He's out of here. Let's go.